So, continuing on with Danaher's guard retention. So we looked at body mechanic drills from the supine position. We looked at scooting last week, and we looked at pummeling with the legs. So the third body movement you need to know to retain your guard from a supine position is pendulum. So again, how do I get from supine guard to the seated guard? And my legs were straight and I'm just sitting up, using a lot of strain and stress on my core. So I need to get a curve in my spine, so I'm bringing my knees to my chest and staying tucked like a ball. And even if I don't pendulum my legs, just curling and sitting up is effortless because you're just using the momentum of that rocking chair movement to sit up. But if we incorporate a pendulum with the legs, it's even easier. So again, from there, I'll keep one leg stationary and one leg will kick up, and it's that movement that gets me up. I can use either leg. And if I was doing it as a solo drill, I can just come up and cut an angle. So from there, I can cut, butt scoop. Again, just doing it as a solo drill. So, where would that fit into actually terms here from a real life situation? Let's just say Tyrone gets me into double under positions. We know the Heisman escape. If I notice there's an open elbow because he's made the mistake of gripping high on the collar from there, as he starts to initiate the pass, I'm pushing on the elbow. Notice the way my right leg is over his shoulder. I can use my left leg to move from being flat on my back to the seated position just by pendulum him down and pushing. Now we'll use the scooting movement that we learned last week from the supine position to butt scoot back, and now I can face Tyrone. So again, you'll be using these drills in combination. So maybe he goes for double unders over here. He's about to initiate the pass, and notice when I'm in a supine position, I want to get to the seated guard position. My right hand's pushing on the elbow, and I can use this leg to pendulum down to get the seated guard. Now I'll use that scooting movement that we learned last week. I'm trying to face him. So, nothing too difficult there.